how you make hard-boiled eggs. Super easy to peel. Put a little Mattdad seasoning on it. Look at that. It's perfect. It's not green. It's still bright yellow. That's the deal on how to make easy to peel hard-boiled eggs. Maddie, y'all, let's eat and cook like rock stars.